Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, then tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's tap on them. Here we have to find About Phone, which is at the top of the list, so let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down to find Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again to find the status. And right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, you have to tap on the specific IMEI to show the number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.